Good morning, welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I am charging 500 rupees per month. You will get advanced prediction details as well as calls in the group. And if you like my research and if you want to support my research, you can donate by using this Google Pay and Phone Pay and Paytm. Let's go to the review of Nifty. Nifty ended up in the positive 14,653.05, 168.05 points in the positive, 1.16% in the positive, opened around 14,493.80, which is a little above the previous closing, and market started to kept low around 14,484.85 and start to move towards to the positive direction 14,667.55, which we have both positive side target also got it, but still the Nifty has kept one more positive side target opened. I'll let you know later. The data which is clearly shown the volatile market, but at the same time the market is having the one kind of a chance to go bullish due to the opening was in the volatile zone, but still the market is not broken the support level 1, which is the support level 1 and the overall average. Normally what we know is that anything not broke that overall average means it is still in the extreme bullish zone. So that particular level 14,477, it is not broken by 7 points, 14,480, 4,484.85, and you can see clearly pivot level is also there. So everything is matched on that particular day. So it has tried to move towards the positive direction, and 14,667 we already had two targets in hand. 14,006 14,000. 1 minute, I'll check you the target. Yes, this is the target which we had, 14,595.19. So the market is trying to move towards to that particular level. So because we already knew this target well in advance, we have given that before the market opening itself, because if anyone saw my video, they would have known about this target 14,595.1, and everybody thinking that the market will fall down. We are also having that outside target which is 13,599.85, but still the upside target is there, means we can't able to trade that much easily. That is the reason we given clearly small traders to better stay away from the market, and the market is also moved towards to the positive side target of 595. So it has clearly reached that 595. After that it start to move towards to the average level, which is 14,552. It has broken that level stop loss, and the high is not matching. So at present 14,680.19 is also open. 14,680.19 new positive side target also opened. So we need to play much more cautiously as well whenever we get these kind of data. And in our group calls also we have clearly mentioned about these things. Anyone wants to trade, they need to keep both options in hand because of the volatile market. So this is the best method to trade on this kind of day, and due to volatile market, it is always better way to trade if you keeping both options, and otherwise small traders better stay away from the market. We didn't trade, we don't want to do this kind of headache trading days. We can even keep and wait for next 3 days also. If the market is not giving, the points will go extremely bullish, like 100 150 something like that, but still it is not going to be that much easy to trade on these kind of days if you are not placed at the right options. So the levels which kept perfectly 14,484.28, so it is trying to move towards to that positive direction of 14,595, which are pending target. Once again, I clearly mentioned small traders to stay away from the market. We didn't trade that much. We want to bet some small kind of a trade, because even though it is bullish, but still we don't want to participate for the small traders. High risk traders, they can bet because they can invest both options in hand, because the premiums of the uh, put option side is very much high. So that is the reason I asked to small traders to stay away from the market. So each and every time it has opened one new target, and it is almost each and every time it is open like that. And we took one more hero zero call, because it is clearly showing that market is not giving the intent to fall down, so we are taking everything in the full risk. So 14,300 put option, we bought it at 25 to 30 and holding for F&O closing. Due to that, today which is Wednesday, we have a target of downside 0.47, even though the positive target we are having around 14,680 range, but still after reaching that, it has a chance to fall down out negative 0.487 80% of the time. But still there is a bullish warning signal as well, because this is the hint which we got in our prediction for Wednesday itself. So I have given well in advance that support and resistance levels. So this particular bearish level we have a chance to hit. So we, and specifically whoever taking hero zero, it is not going to be certain that it will come down that, but 80% of the chances are this kind of day it will fall down towards to that level. So we are taking only for the high risk traders who took as a hero zero call, because the market is not certainly falling down. We have the downside target as well as we have the upside target too. So we are taking up to the content of taking risk. It is like hero zero, it is not going to be confirm that it will come down and market will fall down heavily, but we are taking chances with hero zero, because if it is not going as per the plan, it will go to zero within 2 days, we know that. So we are taking calculated risk. That is the way we need to play in the market to sustain for a long tenure. So we are calculatedly taking. At the same time, we clearly given that anyone don't want to take risk, they ask to keep stop loss at 25 for the intraday. So if the market is not falling, it is hitting, means they can exit with a cost to cost or marginal loss. So that 25 also got hit, but still whoever want to take participate the hero zero, they has to kept for the entire week, that's next 2 days. So because of Thursday we have the positive side weightage, which is 5% positive side, which means it is huge. So at the same time there is a bearish warning signal. So it is kind of a headache once again Thursday, which it is indicating that 5% on the positive direction, which is not it is certainly to go 5%, but there is a upside up to weightage of 5%. It has a potential to go, but at the same time it is showing the bearish warning signal, which means once again it is a 50-50 day. So that is the reason we are given the call for the hero zero. We are not taking chances in a big way. We are taking some small bet around 25 to 30 in the put option. Even if it is not works, it will go to zero, we know. So we are taking chances as per that. And once again it has, after hitting the stop loss, it came down to 18 to 19. Still anyone want to participate, they asked to bet at that point of time with the hero zero call. So has to buy it again 18 to 19. And we know the target which opened around 14,680 as well. So this is a small target from the previous closing. It is somewhere around 30 points. If the 30 points it means and the high is matching perfectly, then the market will start to fall down. So we have the good chance to make some small money, but still the premium of put options are very much high, so we need to play much more cautiously. And this is the Wednesday market, which 75% are showing in the negative, but once again the evenly poised. So evenly poised comes means still it is going to be a headache day, because 33.33% chances of all results. It might be go end up with bullish, it might go end up with bearish, it might stay in the flat and close flat. So it is a very hectic day on this kind of evenly poised. It is not going to be easy. So once again we given the small traders to stay away from the market, but we have this 80% chances, because this 80% chances, whenever we get 80%, which means 8 out of 10 we are get success, and the market is reaching that given target. So if you trade 10 days and the 80% chances it is showing, 8 days you are getting success, only 2 days you are getting failure. So we are trying to bet because of that. So the failure is only 20%. But still, if you go one-sided, the 50-50 only chances, because of the evenly poised day, you must have to take both options in hand, because we might not know the market is going to be bullish, the market is are going to be bearish. So that is the reason we ask to bet both sides. Or else, if you don't want to take risk, the small traders better stay away from the market. And the par value is also indicating that anything more than 14,604, it is trying to move towards to positive side. But still, evenly poised day, it will try to attack all the datas as well. It might go bearish up to 150 points, and it might go 60 points in the positive direction as well. So we can't predict just like that. In the evenly poised day, the market has full freedom to go where it wants. So that is the reason we once again asking the small and safe traders to play safe, or better stay away from the market. It is not going to be easy for the small traders. It is a high risk traders day. These are all the these are all the stop loss for the extreme bullish market, which anything opened above 14,648, you can keep stop loss 14,625. And anything opens even a point positive, you can keep stop loss 14,617. If these levels stop loss are not hitting, like what yesterday it has gone bullish, like that we have the chances to go bullish. So you can go and check the stop loss for the yesterday bullish and extreme bullish market. Yesterday extreme bullish market stop loss not got it. So that is the reason we are keeping these and giving these stop loss levels. And the extreme bearish stop loss, anything opens below pre-opening this particular 14,622.28, then the extreme bearish is activated with the stop loss of 14,645.47. And anything opens even in a flat negative 1 point, you can keep stop loss 14,676.24. And these are all the pending targets which we are tracking for quite some time, from the last month. It's not we are only tracking, it is not certain that it is going to hit, but we have the positive side target 14,680.19, so which is around 30-35 points from the previous closing. So after getting it, if the high is perfectly matching, the market will try to fall down towards to downside, which is minimum of 0.47. If it is continuing, it might go any level. Because of the evenly poised, it might go any level, because evenly poised day means it has a freedom to go anywhere with a 33% chances. And one more warning signal also came, which is bullish warning signal. So which means that is the reason we are asking to bet both sides. The warning signal gives means once again it might go bullish. So if the stop loss levels, for example, these bullish stop loss levels are not got hit, because this is the extreme bullish, this is a normal bullish, so both stop loss are not got hit, then we have a once again chance to go bullish. Because everyone is expecting bearish, we are also 80% chances of expecting bearish, but in a small way, 0.47%, but still there is a potential to go bullish market. That is the reason we are asking to keep both options in hand, minimum of 10 point at least. But still, anyone who don't want to take risk, better stay away from the market. I'm going to stay away from the market, or else I will invest only 10 points. Whether it is goes to zero, I don't mind losing 10 points. But if anyone wants to participate like that, they can invest smaller amount of money. Even if you lose, you need not to worry like that. You need to keep tolerable price in the market, even one side. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Wednesday. Thank you.